Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. An absolute terrific week over at Walgreens. $1.12 Tide Pods if you can line this up exactly how I'm saying. And I think like 86 cents Shick and Edge shavers or gel. I kind of predicted that and I was right on the money. And we also have some very cheap food. OREO cookies, some cheap cereal, and so on and so forth. If you could do me a huge favor and like this video, I would be so grateful to ensure that the video gets out there and doesn't end up in a bad girl timeout or whatever. If you could just like the video, it would really help me out. Now, for a lot of you that are here for the larger booster basket, it's finally back. It's been missing for about 2 weeks. It's back. I will put this part of the video at the very end. And at the front of the video, I'll just show the clearance and the easier deals for newer Walgreens shoppers. But if you want to do this one, it's at the end of the video. Yesterday, I got a couple messages from various Walgreens shoppers saying that the family-sized mega stuffed OREO cookies that are typically 2 for $10 are on clearance for 79 cents. This is your mileage may vary. It was not 79 cents here in the middle of nowhere, Michigan, but I know that a lot of girls who live specifically in the Ohio area were having a ton of success. I also saw it on social media. So if you might see this bag of cookies, ask for a price check. I mean, there is no harm in that. Halloween food up to 40% off and Halloween merchandise up to 60%. Now, according to the tags, they say they're going to run this till the 22nd of November. I'm calling something on that. I think by the end of this week, we're probably going to see 80. If not, they're going to try and box this up and ship it off to head office or whatever they do with it. But there was a good amount of stuff still left. And then when you're also bebopping around the store, anything that looks Halloweenish, including these OREO cookies, ask for a price check. These were still full price at my store, but shouldn't they be 40% off? Maybe you'll have a nice manager who will see it your way. Don't be shy to go to the photo counter, beauty counter, ask for price checks because it's really worth it, guys, to get some cheaper food. Okay, the first deal we're going to talk about is an absolute freebie, and I predicted we'd have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. It's a 3 off of each. So a $3 off of the paste, a $3 off of the brush. Oh my gosh, so this is now a freebie. So just to show you the digital coupons, if you can't load them, try and load them through the ad. I think that's how I did it. You'll have to go through your ad and just press the plus sign. So that's $3 off of the paste and a $3 off of a Colgate product. So a brush or a mouth rinse. Very easy deal. Grabbing one of each, it's $9 and they're $4.50 a pop. Subtracting $6 in digitals, you're going to pay $3, get back a $3 register reward, making it free. If you're doing this deal with no boosters, such as the spend 40, get back 8, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to earn that register reward. I love free dental care. So here is the register reward, hot off the presses. I did this deal this morning and my friend printed for me, so I was very excited by this. Another super-duper deal this week is the buy one, get 2 for free on the Arm & Hammer laundry products. So you'll pay $7.49 for the 3. If you're a newer couponer looking to build your stockpile, this is really a fantastic deal to get some very inexpensive detergent, especially if you're just doing this no booster kind of a deal. You're just going to burn through some Walgreens Cash. This is a great item to stock up on. Another alternative deal to stock up this week is the 4 for $10 or $2.50 per the Febreze Tide Simply Gain Fabric Softener, the Bounce Dryer Sheets. If you might have one of these $5 congratulations off of a P&G product, I think the expiry date on this guy is super quick. Mine was actually expiring today. So in theory, because these are P&G products, I could throw one of these in to get $5 off and I would pay $5 for the 4 products or make it $1.25 per. So, I mean, however you want to, roll the dice on this one, make it happen, guys. Especially those Bounce Dryer Sheets. If you're building a stockpile for the first time, that's one item I would definitely stock up on. Now, you're going to have to forgive me for a lot of this video. I was at the store really early and the monthly tags are not posted. This is, in fact, a monthly deal to buy 2 Tide Pods at the 42 count to get back a $5 register reward. Tide Liquid is not included. I tested it with 2 Tide Pods and our friend printed for me. but read those tags. I opened up the Walgreens app and scanned every barcode of every detergent and Tide Pod I could try and find, and this was the only one that was working for me this morning, and our friend did print. So it's a weird one. It's a monthly promotion of buy two, get back a $5 register reward on the Tide Pods only, the 42 counters. Now, to go along with the free Colgate toothpaste, this is another deal that I would think that would be absolutely fantastic to do, because it is so easy to grab one of those Edge shaving gels and a men's Shick shaver, and you're getting this dirt cheap. So it's on this promotion of buy one, get one 50% off, $5 reward when you spend $10, although you can use Walgreens cash to pay this down if you're doing this without a booster. So you're going to grab one of these $8.99 razors, and then you're also going to grab one of these shave creams for $3.99, but it's going to ring up 50% off of that for $1.74. You're going to load the following digitals that include this $3 off. So, I mean, definitely if you want to grab the women's one, make sure it's tagged and it's showing up in the app that it's part of the promotion, and then the $1 one for the shave gel. And then here it is, guys, grabbing one of each, a Shick razor and then an Edge cream. It's $10.73. We have those $4 in digitals melting off. Pay $6.73, get back a $5 register reward, making it $1.73 for the two, or 86 cents per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And here's your best friend. It printed for me $5 back on the Shick, so that was really fantastic. So I'm going to do this on both store cards. I love this deal. The next deal that I think is absolutely fantastic is on the General Mills cereal that's priced 2 for $5. On a non-sales week, $5.99 for one of these boxes. We have $1 off a 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you have this guy loaded. And if you don't like the Cheerios, just check what your IBOTTA rebate might have. Mine was heavy with Cheerios, but yours might have like other General Mills cereal. It's 50 cents back per box at various stores. It says Walmart at the top, but Walgreens is in fact part of it. Here's the easy deal, guys. So 2 of those General Mills cereal for $5. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $1 back, making it $3 for the 2, or $1.50 per box. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but a great little item to stock up on, especially with the soaring price of food right now. There is some value to this if you love cereal. We also have this Mr. Clean 2-pack of the Magic Erasers for $3.99. We have $1.75 digital, dropping this guy down to $2.24. I think it's a different colored box, like it's completely red, but this was the only one my store had to show you guys. But root around, scan to make sure that coupon is attaching. Another great deal for paper products this week is with the Scott. This is $1.25 off of one. So if you only wanted to grab one with that store coupon, it's going to just come off to make it $3.75. You can grab either the toilet paper or the paper towel. And if you wanted to grab more than one, you can also do that, but you don't have to buy them in increments of 2, just to note that. And the coupon on the top right-hand corner is in fact a store coupon. So you can either get that 12-pack of toilet paper or this 4-pack of the paper towel. You pick what you want to stock up on, but $3.75 is a very good price point this week for paper products over at Walgreens. Now, this is the thing, we're going to put the Price is Right fail music right there, because this did not work out for me. In the app, these are ringing up 2 for $5, but at the cash register, they rang up full price. And then if you look at the ad, it says $3 register reward when you buy 2, and it says soft soap, Irish Spring bath care, or hand soap. The register reward did not print for me. Do not do this deal. It is not working. It is just, I don't know, being difficult. So pass on this one. I took a leap of faith thinking, oh, I'll try something else, and it exploded for me. So don't do this deal. Okay, another deal that's getting tweaked a little bit because the digital coupon is a little bit less is with the Pantene shampoo. for $5, to buy 3 to get back a $5 register reward. And we only got a very chintzy $2 coupon for the cheaper Pantene. The 4 off 2 is for the more expensive line, so go figure that one out. I still can't figure it out. However, if you still might have one of these kicking around, you can also throw it into the deal because Pantene is in fact a P&G product. So grabbing 3 of these Pantenes for $15, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $13. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 8 for the 3 or $2.66 per unit. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And if you're throwing in that $5 register reward from the P&G deals the week previous, it'll obviously be a lot cheaper. Okay, guys, so this is the anticipated booster deal. We haven't had one of these in 3 weeks. I got an 8 back when you spend $40, and I got $45 of merchandise, so I went a little bit over. I grabbed 2 of the Tide Pods, $12.99 a pop, 2 of the shaving items for $10.78, get back a $5 register reward. For Tide Pods, it was the same, get back a $5 register reward. And then I also threw in 2 of the Colgate products at $9, and I had a $3 digital off of each. And then for Shick, I had a $3 and then $1 for the Edge, and all of those coupons came off magically for me. And then I also threw in a $5 P&G register reward into this, and it came off magically as well. But for the Tide Pods, and it must be the Tide Pods only at $12.99, open up the app and ensure that this guy is scanning. So I had this for one of them, and then the second one, I used that top register reward, which is the congratulations one. And it's $5 off. If you might have other manufacturer register rewards from the week previous that you want to throw into the basket to get your total a lot less, go for it. But it can't say store coupon on the top. It has to say manufacturer like this one. Okay, so just going through the basic math, we have 2 of those Shick Edge products for $10.78, 2 Tide Pods for $25.98, and then 2 Colgates for $9 for a total of $45.75. I loaded my booster, which was an 8 back when you spend $40. I gave the cashier one $5 P&G register reward from the week previous. That's scanned. I have $13 in digitals melting off. So I paid with my debit card $27.75. And then I got back $13 in register rewards and $8 in Walgreens cash, making these 6 products $6.75 for the 6 or $1.12 per. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, as it will mess everything up. Please pay attention to that last thing because that's how you can get turned around. And then just to show you guys my gorgeous chorus line of register rewards that print, we have the $5 for the Tide Pods, $5 for Shick, and then the $3 for the Colgate. At the very least, if you just want to do the Colgate and Shick deal, go and do it. If you want a smaller out-of-pocket, those are 2 noteworthy and fantastic deals this week. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.